imagine in my bathroom.
Yeah, plastic.
Yeah, that's good.
And look, this is good, yeah.
Yeah. But I miss
The sling, right?
Yeah, the sling.
Yeah, but it's pretty good, you know. I love it.
Yeah.
And this is
What are you guys doing?
Just talking about these things, some ideas.
Do you guys even know about bamboo?
We're just talking about this. This is good.
What do you know about bamboo?
I know about bamboo. I know much about bamboo.
Yeah.
You guys even don't know about bamboo. I know a lot of things about this.
So you can tell us.
Yeah, you can tell us and you can show it to us.
This is bamboo. This is bamboo. And this is bamboo.
Yeah,
And this is bamboo too.
Oh.
And this is bamboo.
Wow. Why are you even wearing helmet inside?
Yeah. Why?
Do you want to know about bamboo?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Let me introduce you to our bamboo production.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Kuzo.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bamboo Lab. This is our production house, production of bamboo. Even though it isn't complete yet, but we just started the process. Come on, let's go. Let me show you something. So the first thing is the harvested bamboo will come through that rope, and then we put it in here. And then we wash the bamboo first to clean up the process, and then we put a hole in the bottom of the bamboo right here. So we spray. Okay. So this is the process of cleaning the bamboo. It is an important task because it removes the dirt and all of the excess bamboo in each every section of the bamboo. By the way, this is called bamboo tali. This is mainly used for construction, mainly roof for construction. Besides of that, it can be used as a souvenir, home decoration. Yes. Yep. That's right. So the next process is the treatment process. This is one of the most important thing in the bamboo process. So the bamboo is put inside the water of chemical like borax and boric acid, and then the chemical will kill all the insects and also make the bamboo stronger and then weatherproof.
Oh, and how long you should put the bamboo?
We
How
put
long?
in about 2 weeks. 2 weeks in here.
So long?
Yeah. By the way, this is called bamboo petung.
Oh.
It's mainly used for construction like that, for a column, because it's stronger and a big one.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the stronger one.
Yes.
Bamboo lab.
Okay, normally after the treatment process, the bamboo is used directly to the construction or the structure. But what made our bamboo is special because of the boil process. So basically it's a boiling process for bamboo. So it will kill the bacteria inside the bamboo 100% and then make the bamboo stronger and more flexible. Like that. Yep. So after we boiled up the bamboo, we dry it up in here, the bamboo, until 50% of the water content is gone. And then after that, we put it in the storage. But because we are still in the making of the storage, we put it in here. So storage is still building, right there. So this is our bamboo storage still in process. As you can see, all of the materials in here is using our own bamboo. By the way, our storage can contain up to 5,000 bamboo.
Sugoi.
Sugoi, eh? Sugoi dong.
Sugoi.
Ready, go!
Okay, you are the winner. You can take the bamboo. You can take the bamboo.
Kami-sama. Okay, so that's about our bamboo factory. What do you guys think about our bamboo factory?
It's wonderful, and I didn't know that the process is so difficult and long time.
Yeah.
Very interesting. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Don't forget to
Subscribe!